morning, good night, wherever you guys are watching from. Just went for my morning walk and decided to rest up nickel on this bench right here, taking the cool breeze and listen to the birds singing and just giving God thanks for another day, you know what I mean? So I set a little makeshift bird feed over here in the tree. That's it right there. And it is empty. The birds come around and the chipmunks and the squirrels, and I throw bread all around out here for them, and so far so good. This was full yesterday, now it's empty. I'm gonna take it and refill it, and I'm gonna see if I could. I've tried before to record it to see when you're actually eating from it, but no luck. So I'm gonna try and reset it and see what I could capture. Alright, checking back today. It's a rainy Saturday. Checking back on the birds and what they have eaten so far. See the bird feed that I make here. Them lick it down, eat out the bread, and rain full up in there. So I'm gonna try and hang this back up again where they could reach it, and I have some more bread I'm gonna set out for them and the squirrels and the chipmunks. Alright, so I think I go set it back here so, cause it seemed to be working fine. Them pitch from here so, and then them go up in here so. I have to watch them stubs there, you know. One day me look about me buck off my toe. And them stubs. Out here wet, like me say. Rain don't fall. But it's still a drizzle. So, alright, let's see. We even make the string look a shorter, but it's them still knock it down. I'll get one from the dollar store, you know, because they do have some there. So here we are. This is day 2, and I have well, let me start off by saying yesterday the birds went crazy for the bread, pieces of bread, and then popped down the little makeshift bird feeder that I had in a tree. It was on the ground yesterday. The strap was broken, so I made a new one. It's in the tree right there. I'm gonna try to zoom in so you guys could get a better view. I feel like going back outside, but this is from the window view, and it's filled with more bread. There's more bread on the ground here, and there's more bread there, and over there for the squirrels and the chipmunks. Yesterday they had a feast. Unfortunately, it wasn't captured on camera and video because my action camera battery ran out, and I didn't notice that until I came to check. So here we are today, another morning. Now that's cloudy. Well, let me take that back. No, it's bleaky. Temperature is nice as well as yesterday. A little cool in terms of just perfect. You don't need no jacket nor nothing. It's not hot. Just a perfect spring day in May. Almost the end of May. So I'm gonna set this up. I'm not gonna put it on time lapse. I'm gonna let it run regular for a little bit, and then I'll come back and see what I capture, and I'm just gonna keep setting it as I go and see what we get, guys. But here we are. Not windy today at all, so we're watching for deer over there because birds come from there here and here. And this is bread with the grains on it, so they're gonna love that. And they're over there too for the chipmunks, the squirrels, and Lord knows what else is out here. Alright guys, so let's set this up and stay tuned. Alright, so I'm back with the some bread. Now see, this bread down here was there since yesterday. Normally me put bread right here, so, and watch me step, cause around here full of, sometimes people walk them dog and a clean up. So that's why I had to put a sign back here. Wash out by the rain, I'm gonna take that down. Some breadcrumbs yesterday too. Alright, so I'm gonna try and hang this back. I'm gonna see if I can hang it a little closer. I don't want to hang it too closer for nobody interfere with it. But them and the squirrel did a fight yesterday. They were fighting yesterday over the bread. It's like the bird I said, go and go look acorn and leave it. Right, I forget to leave this. I left the bottom open simply because it was gonna rain and we never want the rain for settle in there. So I'm gonna try and stuff it just a little bit with some bread. Yeah, I forgot to take a bottle cap. Alright, that's what we have to do. Just as long as we get some bread in there. Them eat it out. I was shocked. And last night, late evening, yesterday one kept coming around here. Was looking for food and I threw bread out here. And he ate pretty much most of it. It looked like him did miss out on the party from earlier. I have to watch my step. I don't want twigs juke out my eyes either. Alright. Maybe we can change how I hang this. But they've been coming here eating it from this branch. This branch. And they lick it off one time. When we did have it just now. I forgot where I hung it. I think it was on here. I think so. Let me try right here so again. I think that's where I had it. Right up there, so. I'm going to try right here so and see how that feels out. And then the rest, I'm going to spread right here, so. Let's see how that works out. Outside chilly today, no people. It's nice, you need a light jacket. Like I say, I like the cool temps. Love the cool temperature. I don't like the sweat business star. Alright, see, so now the squirrel always come and the chipmunk them. But this is something we do. Morning routine. Just I go now, glimpse of some of the things. I will keep the bag because I have more bread there. This was Italian bread. And I never eat all like make garlic bread, so why not share with those who can't really help themselves like us, right? Alright, so that is it. The tree right there, so one day I'm going to set up the action camera in the tree and catch a close-up of it, or of them. This stick is mine. Sometimes I go for my walk, I take it with me because facts and things about the place. But yeah, last year they had built a bird nest in here. Them never use that tree, or them I use some other tree. Watch my face with that. But that is it, people, for now. I will get some clothes washed in the laundry room. So just stay tuned and browse through the morning chores them with me. Alright. So because I'm not really a breakfast person, around mid-morning, 11 o'clock, somewhere thereof, that's when my appetite kicks in. And I usually have some fruits or just anything light to just take me through the day before lunch. it's like after 4. Let's check and see the progress of the birds feed. It look like them start eat out, you know. It's hard to tell. It's really hard to say, but them eat from where they up on the ground already. From here, over the side there, and from around here. So I saw them earlier. Yeah, them eat where they did down here. So I saw like a few of them earlier, but I didn't get a chance to really like check and see if them did I eat the actual food, the actual bread. Which me think of that them did I do? Me think them did I eat the actual bread. Them wouldn't just be around there just so it look like them did a pick. I made a pick and I eat, you know? Alright, so tomorrow morning again, we'll check back and we will definitely know. Because if the thing empty up, the bird feed empty up, then yeah. There's a bird feeder on a tree over here so too. Let me see if I can zoom in. It's hard to see one of these trees. Somebody set a bird feeder on. Once we come down this hill, I can see me can catch it on the side. So we see, but you can't help but feed the bird them. Let me see if I can spot it. FedEx I try turn in. Come down here. See it there, so? Let me see me zoom in so I see it right up there. So see it there? See the on the tree? See if we can point. See it right there, so. Yeah, somebody have a bird feed up there too. Which is so cool. Me like that. Only for birds there about. Very bleaky this morning. It rained last night. The temperature is in I think the mid 50s, but it feels so good outside. It looks like it's going to rain again. And I just filled up that thing and I thought it had rainwater in it from. It rained earlier this morning, like late morning, like around 3 or so. And like I said, it's bleaky again, it's overcast. And it was drizzling when I went for my walk and was coming back up. So the forecast called for more rain, not much. But then I know the bread is okay in that little thing because there was no rainwater in it. I moved it from one branch closer to where I see them more often. So we'll see. Over there the rabbits come up. Bleaky and cool, nice temperature. I wore my jacket this morning, a light jacket. And in actuality I really didn't need to. Because it's not hot, it's just a perfect day for me in terms of temperature. Some people might find it too cool, but I love it. So I don't want to set the camera. One of these days I'm going to see if I could set the camera in the tree and catch a close-up image of when they're eating. Sometimes I leave it here on time lapse and see if I capture anything. Sometimes I just leave it recording on regular recording. But either way, I'm gonna make an attempt today since I set some more bread out to see what I might capture. So stay tuned. Well, yeah, I could see the birds ate whatever was in there from the day before, so it's working. So I have a piece of bread in here, and I'm going to refill the cup, the makeshift feeder, and I'm going to see if I could capture when they come back and start eating. All right, me still have the buckle cap off of it in case it rain. To the warm, summer just starting to kick in. Just starting to kick in our full spring. It's in the mid 70s, and yeah, so they show no rain in the forecast, but still, me I gonna leave it like that. And me I gonna sprinkle some more on the ground. Me have scraps of bagel. So I'm gonna put these on the ground as usual for the other bird them and the squirrels, and so you know. I'm gonna put some here so again. I mean know them are gonna come around because they've been coming around. Never get to really do much yesterday, me kinda busy, you know what I mean? But today, yeah. I'm gonna throw some here so cause we can more capture that from the window. If me set up the action camera, so I'm gonna put some here so. And the rest of it I'm gonna dump over here so. For the chipmunks and the squirrels them soon have acorns. So one on the ground there where them see where them crack open and eat. So the squirrel them to leave the bird food alone. Them have for them own thing to eat that. So that is it. We check I can see the progress of that. Alright, see them up in the tree there. One just came, I think two of them. See them in the tree, one in this tree. I never catch them eating from that makeshift feeder. And that's my main aim. I'm in the tree there, so. I have the action camera right here, so hopefully to capture them. I'm going to set it up and leave it, so stay tuned. So I'm setting bread, not only bread this morning, I'm setting some water and see how that play out. And I need it to hang where I could capture it. So I think that's the best spot. Let's see if they're both in view. Alright, and I'm not gonna do time lapse. I'm just gonna leave it on regular recording and see how that work out. This was empty by maybe 5 o'clock yesterday, so they are eating from it. Let's try the water this time too, and let's reset some bread because I could never capture them on camera eating it, but they're eating the bread for sure. So wish me luck and stay tuned. was busy having my little morning snack and I heard a commotion outside. And there was Squirrel eating off the bird food. So I'm gonna head out and check it. Those doggone squirrels, man. Jeez. Knock the whole damn thing over. Oh boy. Jeez. Just interrupting my little. Look at this. I take that thing up and everything. Oh my word. Were they drinking water? Like the birds were drinking the water because the water gone down significantly. Where the thing they know? Citronia, so can I get around here? My gosh. She still got cheese doodles all over my finger. Having my little morning snack. Or mid-morning. Eat out all the bread. Blow, whoa. Look at this, man. You know what? I'm going to take my camera down and see what I captured so far. And I don't even know if I'm going to bother with this today. How many attempts I've done so far? Wow. How many attempts? Stay tuned, yeah, man. Sure. And watch this. The birds are out there. Look, the birds are out there looking for food. The squirrel done knocked down the food and ate it all up. Watch me and him. I like a bun and cheese with it too, you know. Just one slice of bun and one little piece of cheese. And the patty and cocoa bread still there. Yep, and cola champagne. So lunchtime flex. Oh, I was trying to catch him. That squirrel. Look at him go. They knocked the bird food down. He knocked down the bird food and was getting to the bird boy. I was trying to scare him away, but it was too late. He ate up that bread. Good morning, everybody. So it's the last day of school today. Thank God. We didn't catch this door this morning, but we caught the library door around the corner. We ran across the street. I saw people getting in with the kids crossing the street, and we caught it. Thank God. So my walk this morning won't be too bad. I'm more closer to the hill, except that it is starting to rain. Yep, it's starting to rain. And I don't have no umbrella. That door is closed, I guess, because there's no school bus drop off today. I think yesterday was the last of the school bus. Here comes the crossing guard. His work is done. His work is done. The rest of the summer is his. Let me turn the camera off till I finish chit-chat with him a little bit. Okay, there he goes. Last day of school. They're fixing down there because it's one way in, one way out. And it's really annoying for when the parents do drop-offs and you have to wait for the school bus right there to, you know, finish unloading the kids before you could actually keep moving out and going about your business. So they're doing something about that. So alright, y'all, I'm gonna take my time and mosey up this hill once again. Stay tuned. It's very breezy today. There's a bird here in this tree. Seen there? Oh no, it's not capturing. Right in the tree. Anyway, I'm gonna try to nail this thing down. The cup back on the tree. Since Mr. Big Bad Squirrel, there are birds coming here. Very windy today. Since Mr. Big Bad Squirrel knocked down my thing all the way to the ground, ate all the bread. Oh, I'm gonna get him today. There's a bird in the tree that's so cool. Stay tuned and watch my plan. Alright, I'm gonna try and do this. Mr. Big Bad Squirrel eating out the bird food. So yeah. So I have some hot pepper sauce. I have the bread on my outside. So I go tear up the bread first, and then I go put it in the bottle, the little bottle makeshift feeder, and then I go put the hot sauce on it. The hot sauce in there. Yeah. And I have action camera set up to get closer clips of it normally. So I'm gonna put it there and then pack down the thing, had it down there so I eat. So I'm gonna switch it round. I'm gonna see if him can see it from this angle because I couldn't get it to fit by here. Yeah. So I'm gonna trick him. I'm gonna hang this here so because him know so the card always the right here so. He has a worm. I didn't want to move this, but this bird has a worm. I'm trying to capture him. It's all the way up in there. Alright, y'all. Hopefully we capture something with this cup right here. I'm mainly looking out for that squirrel. I'm gonna go ahead and spread the rest of the bread on the floor, on the ground.